Screen printing is a printing technique where a mesh is used to transfer ink onto a substrate, except in areas made impermeable to the ink by a blocking stencil. Screen printing is a traditional, high-precision printing process used by many merchants and manufacturers all over the world. Welcome to Textile Vlog. Stay with us and enrich your textile knowledge. Today I will show you the complete process of screen printing step by step. Let's start. Step 1. Design creation. The first step is to prepare the design you want to be printed. You can do this by either drawing your image or printing the image from a computer onto a transparent acetate film, which will be used to create the screen. Make sure the image is in black. Step 2. Preparing the screen. A screen is made of a piece of mesh stretched over a frame. The mesh used to be made of silk, but now it's also made with nylon or polyester. Step 3. Exposing the emulsion. Photoemulsion is a liquid that undergoes a reaction. When exposed to UV light, causes it to harden. Screen printing makes use of this ability. The photoemulsion is applied to both sides of the mesh using either a scoop coater or a squeeze. The emulsion coating should be uniform and thinly applied, making sure there are no gaps or missed bits. Make sure you do this step of the process well away from UV light and in a room with low lighting. The experts use a dark room. Step 4. Creation of the stencil. When the emulsion is dry, on the flat side of the screen, place the transparency upside down on the screen, then put the piece of glass on top to ensure the transparency is flat against the screen. Now, the screen is ready to be exposed. You can use sunlight by going outside, or you can use lamps. By exposing the screen to the light source with the transparency, a reaction occurs. The exposed area becomes hardened and will not wash away. The unexposed area is still soft enough to wash out. Then wash the soft emulsion away with water. You have now successfully burnt your design onto a screen. Step 5. Printing. The fabric to be printed on is laid down flat on the printing table, and the screen is carefully placed on top in the desired position. A thick layer of ink of the desired color is applied to the top of the screen, and a squeeze is used to drag the ink across the whole length of the screen, covering the full stencil. The way this works is that the ink is pressed through the open areas of the stencil and transfers onto the fabric underneath, leaving an ink pattern in the desired design. One color is printed at a time, so several screens can be used to produce a multicolored image or design.